Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to see your recent subscribers on YouTube. So let's start. First, open a browser and search YouTube Studio. Now tap on the first link. And YouTube Studio will open. Now this is your channel dashboard. On the right hand side you'll see your recent subscribers. Here you will see the people who have subscribed to your channel on last 90 days. Now if you tap on See All, you'll be able to see all your subscribers in those last 90 days. And that's how you see your recent subscribers on YouTube. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.